morning. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. As you guys can see, I'm between two freaking loud highways. I don't know if I'm talking too loud, but anyways, yeah, we're fishing for catfish. You guys see my latest video. I got into this like floating cut bait for catfish in shallow water. Like this river here has been dropping. It's making fishing easier for us, but also like stressful for the fish, right? Because now they're forced into these pockets, these obvious pockets by the pillars. I'm going to show you guys in the video, and hopefully we can get the catfish to bite. Now again, shallow river is very tricky because you just never know if you're going to hit them at the right time. Since it's so shallow, these fish are always on the go. Like go, go, go. Look for bait, look for places to spawn, look for sand, look for areas to stay, like covers and stuff like that. So you just never know. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna float around. We might end up coming back here later in the day. Might find some other bridges that we can sit out for a little while. I don't know. Let's see if we can find them. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys. We're already out here, so let's get right to it. Sun is coming up. I'm gonna put on some shades here. I don't know if I brought it. Oh no. Oh yeah, I did. Nice. Ooh. But I didn't. Yeah. Oh, it's all dirty. Jeez. Again, like I said, it's really shallow. I don't know if there's any catfish here yet. There is catfish here in this river system. It's just, like I mentioned, they just move so freaking fast. You got to be on the move with them, and hopefully you can track them down. Put these on. Voila. Now we can see better. Today I'll be using cut bait. Oh yeah, look at this giant chunk of shad right here that I found laying around. We have the smaller ones. Oh man, they didn't defrost yet. It's okay. I have about 5 in here, so that should be enough for me to last till later afternoon. All right, now I'm gonna get my knife out. I'm gonna leave this thing out here. Hopefully a raccoon doesn't take it. But a little tip for you guys: if you guys are gonna use bait like the next day, don't freeze them. Just throw them on ice and do not cut them up, because then you're gonna lose all the nasty good flavor, right? Like if you're not gonna fish anytime soon, then yes, freeze it, but do not cut them. I found out that that works so much better. The scent and the slime and everything stays together. We're actually gonna float right here, right at this dark section of the spot. I hope this hook is big enough. Yep, just gonna hook it just like that. Let's see if there's anything here. Who knows, maybe I'm too early. They're not quite here yet, you know? Big old wake. Oh, it's a sucker. Buffaloes. Alright, nothing's got one, so let's go on to the next one. Just lost a nice fish. I think it was a fish. I'm gonna say it was. It was a good pull, that's for sure. Not sure how big it was, not sure what it was, but it was pretty freaking heavy. All right, let's try it again. This is my last float, guys, so I didn't bring my float peg thingy. I left it in my tackle box back at home. And again, like I said, I just kind of rushed out here. So yeah, try it again. Gonna try it again. I saw it go down pretty clear, that's for sure. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, that was a fish, dude. It took it down. Okay, that was a fish. Oh yeah, that was a fish. I saw the bobber like twitch real hard and it disappeared. Oh geez. There we go. Yep, and we're on. We got him. I saw that bobber drop. Little guy. I saw that bobber drop too. Yep, these are the bait snatcher right here. Small dude. Haha. Saw the bait drop, the bobber drop, and these little guys taking bait. Good eats, but not today. Alright, I think we're gonna move. I'm gonna find some bigger fish in deeper water. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep drifting here until this battery's out. Kinda wanna drift a headpiece around this area and see if there's a flathead. Big piece of shad. Get my knife out. Got him. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh. That's a nice one. Right there, guys. That's a nice fish. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's a nice kitty cat. Jeez. That's a nice kitty cat right there. He's all wrapped up. Oh my gosh, dude. There we go. I knew they were here. Look at the kitty cat. He's going upstream. That's a nice kitty cat. Calm down, calm down. That's a very nice kitty cat. Oh, 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 death row, relax. Don't have a net, so, whoa. Look, oh, she doesn't have a freaking, oh, she wrapped up in her eye, dude. Gosh, all right. We gotta go and do some surgery here. It's like pinched out her eye. Jeez. Oh man, I feel so sorry for you. It's a nice fish, but no keep. She's so girthy, I can't even pin her down. Alright, see how we're gonna do this, shawty. I know, that hurts. I'm pretty sure it hurts. I got hooked before. Oh man, her eye, dude. Look how fast she is. Wow. Big old girl. Hi, old girl. See ya. I'm so glad I didn't leave. I was so close to calling it quit too. I was like certain I was gonna quit. Like I said, it's pretty freaking deep over there, so don't walk over there, guys, if you come and do this. Definitely don't want to see you guys fall in. It's at least 5 feet deep with current, so just you guys do the math. And what I'm doing is I'm drifting my bobber along this like wall here. There's like an undercut that there's a step that sticks out by like a foot, and then there's like an undercut to the cement from erosion, I guess. And these fish, they like to stay in there. So if you're lucky, they're in here. If you're not, then they're somewhere else. Oh, bobber's down. Yep, got him. We got another one. Oh, this one's nice. Oh my gosh, this one's real nice. I gotta make him stay down. Jeez, dude. Well, he's just a fighter. I was just, oh jeez. Yep. Oh, he's pulling me. So walk him over so it doesn't spook all the other ones. Oh, it's just a fighter. It's a nice one though. Good eats. Man, it is so much fun. Dude, nice. Come on, get yourself out. Get yourself out. It's a good eater right there. Yep, death row. Don't lose the meat. Dude, right in the eye again. Yeah, these fish are just Freaking swiping at it. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a nice fish. My goodness. How am I gonna do this? There we go. You gotta grab them like right between the neck where there's like a little soft spot that you can grab, and then you can control them from there. There we go. Bait's off. Nice eater right there. Going back. Jeez, don't swim back to me. Is that a bullhead? Catfish. Channel cat. Oh, nice. I really don't want to bring too much stuff because I'm just gonna dip these bait between those pillars and see if there's any fish here. I don't want to spend too much time and there's no fish by the pillar today. Maybe just try by the dam or something like that. They should move in by now. Like I said, I was here earlier. Maybe we were here too early and fish just wasn't having it. Let's try it again. See what happens. Oh, I hate this walk there. These rocks can roll anytime. Let's get this bait going. I think my knife is in here. Should be. Let's cut a new piece. They're here. They're gonna smash it, like always. Ooh. Something swam off. Oh, got him. Yup. There we go. Got him. It was a channel. It was a channel. Yes. And that's a nice one too. Wow, look how clean they are. Yes. Oh, you hooked him right in the eye. Jeez. Bro, what's with these fish hooking them in the eye? You guys like, I guess that's what they're saying. They say eat with your eyes. Yep, I know. I'll be pissed too. I'll be pissed too. Look at that. Gosh. I'll be pissed too, man. Oh, I'm so sorry. I mean, don't eat with your eyes next time, man. Dang. Holy smoke. I think I'm done for today. I think we did okay. The catfish weren't as like strong between the pillars as I thought it would be. Maybe because of the water change, maybe because of the cold front we've been having, they just gone. It was fun still drifting baits. You guys can see it's very effective. You can drift it along walls, drift it along shallow flats. Yeah, it was pretty fun. I'm gonna do it again. Definitely gonna do it again. I think the temperature kind of messed everything up. So I'm gonna wait for this warm week again, and I'm gonna come back and hit up the bridges, like the shaded areas, and get some more catfish bites. That being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned something today. If not, leave it in the comments down below. And I'll try my best to answer it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next outing.